Hi traders, you're welcome to this video and you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, then you are really missing out on a lot because we cover a lot of useful information on this channel, including trading strategies, trading indicators, trading systems, reviews and all that concerns Forex. Okay, so once again, you're welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be looking at a powerful approach that can transform your trading, and it's called the order flow trading strategy. All right, so what exactly is the order flow trading, or what exactly is order flow trading? Now, order flow trading is all about understanding the real-time buying and selling activity happening in the market. Okay, this insight allows you to anticipate price movements and make informed decisions. All right. Unlike traditional trading strategies that rely heavily on lagging indicators, order flow trading puts you in the driver's seat. Okay, so when you are using order flow trading strategy, you might want to look at graphics of trading charts and order flow visualizations, to give you insights as to the buying and selling activity happening in the market in real time. Okay, now let's break down the core components of order flow. We have market orders, we have limit orders, we have liquidity. By analyzing these elements, you gain a clearer picture of market sentiment. All right, you can identify potential entry and exit points that other strategies might miss. So one thing with order flow trading strategy is that it's not exactly the type that requires you to check in for highs and lows on your charts, or a lot of indicators on your charts and all of that. This is basically looking at buy and sell activities in real time, okay, and getting a clear picture of market sentiment. Okay, this strategy is influenced by market sentiment. You can identify potential entry and exit points that other strategies might miss. All right, this approach emphasizes being proactive rather than reactive, which can make a significant difference in your trading success. Now, let's discuss some common pitfalls to avoid when using the order flow trading strategy. Okay, bear in mind that there is no strategy that is foolproof. Okay, every strategy carries its own risk. All right, no strategy guarantees profit. Okay, and the order flow trading strategy is not an exception. Now, many traders fall into the trap of over-analyzing data or relying solely on technical indicators without considering the underlying order flow. Now, it's crucial to find a balance and integrate order flow analysis with your existing strategies. Okay, it's important that if you want to use the order flow trading strategy, try to implement it with your existing trading strategies that that is based on technical analysis, and make sure you do not also leave out fundamental analysis. Okay, consider economic events and all of that, because all these factors eventually affect market direction. Okay, so now just to share a few practical tips very briefly, some practical tips on how to combine order flow analysis with your trading strategy effectively. Okay, firstly, focus on understanding the order flow, the flow of orders in relation to market movements. All right, in relation to market movements, try to understand the order flow in relation to market movements. And then secondly, practice reading the order book to gauge buying and selling pressure. Okay, practice reading the order book to gauge buying and selling pressure. All right, okay. And lastly, always stay aware of market news that can influence order flow. Okay, all right, it's very important. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of Forex trading. Let's continue to grow together as traders and achieve our trading goals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.